A major push is underway right now to address some of the challenges members of the LGBTQ plus community face when it comes to health care. WRTV's Megan Sanctorum explains how the IU School of Medicine is working with healthcare providers to make sure everyone gets equal access to treatment and feels comfortable visiting the doctor.
Going to the doctor isn't always easy, especially for members of this community.
A lot of times as an LGBTQ plus patient, you can go into a doctor's office and not necessarily know what you can talk about because you're not sure how safe it's going to be.
M. Collins says he came out as transgender about 4 years ago.
And I'm not going to speak for every LGBTQ plus person, but I would say that's probably a more common answer you're going to get. Everybody has experienced either discrimination or, different type of biases.
And when that happens, it can have devastating impacts.
A lot of national data has shown that people who are LGBTQ plus, especially the trans community, has faced discrimination in trying to access necessary services. They've made decisions to delay seeking care or to not seek care when it was medically needed because of this fear.
That's why the IU School of Medicine is hosting a virtual conference for healthcare providers and community members nationwide. More than 500 are registered.
I think what our conference is aiming to do is to have an open door so you can come in and learn the basics on what it means to be an affirming, welcoming provider. Not just that, but start to develop some of those basic skills in how I can take good care of people regardless of their gender identity and regardless of who they love.
Collins says access to things like mental health services, hormone therapy, and gender affirmation surgery is important, but he thinks the little things play a big role as well.
Acts where, a physician walks in and says, "Hi, I'm so-and-so. These are my pronouns. What are yours?" It just opens the door. It allows the patient, like myself, feel reassured and comfortable in that space.
Working for you, Megan Sanctorum, WRTV.